and today is Memphis's birthday. Oh my goodness, I can't believe my firstborn turned 15 today, guys. 15. Yeah, like I said, we are off schedule with vlogging, and I am so sorry for that. There's just been a lot that's been going on. So, and we haven't been up to anything either. We've just been doing things behind the scene as well. But I just wanted to definitely come on here and yeah, just to say happy birthday to Memphis. I'm going to go and wake him up. Like, guys, my skin is breaking out. I've been a little bit under the weather, and so yeah, so my face has been breaking out, but I'm going to go wake Memphis up and wish him a happy birthday. I've been up for a little bit and I've been cleaning, so my bed is a total mess. I'm reorganizing and packing away some stuff and sorting through some clothes and stuff like that, and just getting my room tidied up. And yeah, so for today's birthday we're not gonna do much. Probably just gonna go get him a cake, get him some gift, and probably just cook at home. I just want to say thank you for all the birthday wishes that has been coming in. He really appreciate it. He's more on the quiet side, as you guys can see. You don't really see him that much in our vlogs, but when I do catch him, that's good enough. And yeah, even when it comes to pictures and stuff, it's slim to none with him. I literally have to beg him to take a picture. He doesn't like being in pictures or anything like that. He's more a reserved person, so he's generally quiet. The only time he's not quiet is when you hear him playing his Xbox, or him and his sisters them arguing. That's the only time you hear him. Did you know, Memphis, if you're watching this, mommy is very proud of you. Yes, my A+ student, very proud of you. And continue to keep your grades high, and I just wish the best for you in life, and continue to be motivated. Go after your dreams. You know that your mother is a no-nonsense person, and yes, I can be very strict, but I am that way for a reason. And just know that I love you and I want the best for you guys in life, and anything I do because of you guys. I try to push you guys because I know your potential, right? And if you guys know, you know that your mother is a very driven person, and I go after what I want in life, and regardless of the consequences and the struggles I face, I never let those stop me. Just know that I'm always here for you, and like I said, I'm your mother and your friend, but first of all, I'm always going to be a parent first. When you're wrong, I'm gonna let your ass know when you're wrong. And as a parent, I believe in, you know, you love your children, you want the best for them, but when they're wrong, you need to let them know that they're wrong. Don't try and shield them, right? Because as parents, that's something we tend to do a lot, and sometimes we shield our kids even when they're in the real. I just wanted to say happy birthday, and let's go wake him up. So guys, look, he's sleeping. Wakey wakey, happy birthday! Look at my snookums. Look at my birthday boy. Hello. Good morning with your morning breath. You're gonna say good morning?
Good
Are you
morning.
saying hi? Tell everybody thank you for the birthday wishes. Everybody's been wishing you a happy birthday from morning. So say happy birthday. Lord, you can't call me head. Lord, got the head dry. Oh no, sir, Memphis, your head bad man. This a guy need for comb. Good day. Look at people. And he got his haircut the other day. And look at it. Oh, Memphis. No man, you need some product, you know this. This boy, no sir. But happy birthday. Everybody's saying happy birthday. They look at myself. Yeah man, no, eh? Don't worry, we still climb up on the chair and beat you. But yeah guys, I just wish Memphis a happy birthday. And of course this one, yeah. Fate. Really? Come here now.
$200 if you kiss me right now. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
No.
$200.
$200. No, you're supposed to kiss him after his birthday. So I'm gonna go get myself together, finish cleaning up, get myself together, and get dressed. And me and Miss Fate are gonna. Yeah, my box on, girl.
Oh, it's tight.
Fate. So we are going to head out. Ew. So now that I've wished Miss Memphis a happy birthday, I am going to, well, let me turn this TV down. I'm going to go and get a shower and get myself together, and me and Faith are gonna head out. Yeah, because I don't think Memphis wants to go anywhere. The way I mean the pampa where we go.
Today is the day I be nice to my brother.
Today is the day you're nice to. You're never nice.
I'm just kidding.
These kids and these stupid ass cut G. I am finally, like, literally just leaving. Oh look, they're starting to put up the Christmas decorations. Aw, they're just finally leaving out.
The one that lives there is nice.
Miss Fate there, and so it's me and her out going to go run around now to go get Memphis his birthday gift, and yeah, do what we have to do. So let's get to it. Wait, how do I feel? Woo! We've reached, and it is what, 19, almost 20 outside. So the weather is still nice for now, thank God. And let's get out of this car. Put your mask on and let's go.
I don't want to.
I gotta wait for this person to move from the car.
Oh, you know about me.
Look, it looks like I have contacts in. Christmas is in the air, guys. Oh, now everything Christmassy they have out. You are in the store.
Whoa.
You remember what happened last time when you're... Oh, look at all the Christmas stuff. So, Faye, what are you getting me for Christmas?
Nothing.
What? Unless you want me to fight. Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, you should get me a single tree for myself.
Oh, look at the white tree.
I know, it's so pretty.
Oh, what is it? When pigs fly? That's cute. Oh, these are cute. These would be nice to put at the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
I like stuff like that.
Look at that one, the frosted one.
Oh, even those ones. Those ones are nice. They're so pretty, guys. Oh, it's Christmas. Say Christmas in the air. So this is where you're coming at the people in store for though, madam. Oh, look at this. I love their display at Christmas time. And there's fake Christmas flakes. This is nice. Okay, Faith. I know this is something to look at. We need to get going. Come. Really? Don't play with me. Oh. Okay. So, and they have all the pillows and that's where this stuff for Christmas. Came out of the store. Look at Miss Faith. Hurry up and put. So Miss Faith bought an ice
Mommy
cap.
bought an ice cap and she didn't give me any. Mommy, can I have some?
What's
It's not mine.
Is that yours over
no,
there?
it's Memphis's treat. Mommy bought it for Memphis, but she said I was being too bad, so I didn't get any.
Okay, and you're drinking it out. So we're having some ice cap right now. I gotta head to the other store, but look how dark it is outside.
It's 5 o'clock.
We just went into the store for a quick second and it is pitch dark. And now they're going back into full lockdown. So now they're basically telling everybody if you don't have to go outside unless you're an essential worker, that's the only people that's supposed to be out, and only if you have to really go out to go do groceries. That's pretty much it. So I guess they're making an announcement this weekend coming up. Man. And that. So what are you over there drinking? How are you drinking Memphis ice cap?
It's not his. I I bought it. No, I bought it for
Hello,
mommy.
so you take back your word?
It's a treat. It's a treat.
So how you bought it
for
for me and you're drinking it? Huh?
Mommy, I gave you that one. I bought this one for me. And I
You
gave
are
up to
so funny.
$7. My poor bank account is crying.
You're $7. Do you know how much I just spent? My bank account is like past crying. It's bawling.
If you want to start drone, if you want to start drone. Mommy, with me cake. But like, I spent $7 on ice cap. He's gonna be like, so where's mine? It's my birthday. And he's gonna be like, you broke. You broke.
Okay, so I'm gonna head out to the other store now and grab what I need to grab so we could go home, go cook
It
dinner.
looks like my bun is touching the top of the roof.
This thing is really taking a toll. This pandemic is really taking the toll on the mental health, just in general. See, I don't really mind it because I'm indoors, but it's nice outside right now because it's 19 and I want to be outside. And the fact that I can't travel and do certain things is the only thing that would really like
And listen, I can't go to school. I know.
stress me. The kids they're still homeschooled, so they don't mind. And
But like sometimes it's just,
you know, they're okay with it, especially because they hate generally going to school in the winter
But
time.
now, but like
So now that
in
they're
the
home,
winter,
they're fine.
Oh
but
yeah. Winter time, I'm gonna stay home. But like in the summertime, I'm like,
now they're slowly suffocating because they're like on top of each other, so they are kind of going crazy and in the midst driving me crazy.
I'm not driving you crazy. I'm driving you insane.
But we're trying to cope, and I hope all of you guys are coping as well. Still have not reached home. Why haven't we reached home, Faith?
We're at a strip club.
Yeah, it's strip club waiting for the chicken to strip. That's in the car, currently sitting in the the movie theater. Really, Faith? No, we're here actually waiting on food. So Faith decided to treat us tonight.
I'm not lying.
After she's like, I'll treat you, but you make sure you guys pay me back the money.
No, I said half. Okay, I said
What kind of treatment is that?
no,
They decided said she wanted to order takeout for Memphis' birthday, and then she's like, I want back the money.
No, I said I'd pay for half. I'd pay half. You guys just have to give me back half the money.
Really?
Yeah.
Ew, this girl.
Then like the whole thing, half of it.
So next time when I order food, I expect y'all to give me half.
I'm just gonna be like, I'm broke.
I just got in. My hair is a mess and I am all dirty. I'm about to we're about to eat first and then we are going to cut the cake. So yeah, so I'm gonna just go set up now and then we're gonna eat and then cut the cake and wish him a happy birthday. So we'll be back when we're wishing a happy birthday because I'm sure y'all don't want to see us eat on on camera, you know. Okay, so we're about to sing happy birthday to the birthday boy.
It's my birthday too.
Your birthday pass on gone the other day.
You should write my name on the cake.
Yes, man. Like the cake. Yeah.
What the?
Come on, continue lighting. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
All right, boy. Blow out the candle then. Since you're too old,
Wish
Faith.
for Faith.
Make
Wish
a wish.
something for me.
All right, make a wish and blow out the candles.
My
Quick,
wish
quick
that I
and
be willing
fast.
for food.
Come now. Blow. Really? Yay!
I made a wish too.
You're done. All right, time
Unlimited
to cut the
food.
cake, boy. Yay! Happy birthday.
I
Happy
wish
birthday.
next year Memphis got a regular cake.
Half right. Yes, you want. All right, come Memphis. Cut the cake.
Half right for me.
What do you mean half of the cake is yours?
Cut it with you.
No.
Come on, man.
No.
Come on.
No.
This is why you guys should have had your birthday together. Then it would have just been one big cake. Make it easier.
Yeah, Memphis down here, I'm half right. Nobody no get none.
Oh, so you think right here editing the vlog and I realized that I didn't end the vlog from Memphis' birthday, but I just wanted to say thank you guys to everybody that wished him a happy birthday. He says he really appreciated it and yeah, I'm about to end the vlog here. It's been a long day. Your girl is tired. Oh my god, my face is literally breaking out. Yeah, so I'm ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy your day or enjoy your week, and yeah, this video will be up soon, so look out for it. And we have some update coming up to update you guys on kind of what's going on, but I guess I will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want